Okay guys, I'm gonna walk you through on the brief and the most unique selling point of our latest Marbella in-car camera. Firstly, all the Marbella dash camera as well as KR series, firstly we do not require any external battery to run through your parking mode. This is very important because we have designed our power consumption to the most least power consumption and to the minimal power consumption among all the industrial players, and therefore, ladies and gentlemen, we can translate directly into parking mode up to 48 hours without any need of any extra battery. So the answer is no, you do not require any external battery if you wish to go under parking mode with our latest design Marbella KR series. Okay, on my hand here I am walking you through on the latest Marbella KR8S Pro. It is our latest debut in 2020 Q4, which is only in November period. Okay, it is our latest design with this meticulous design. You can see that it's only, I have a ruler here, it's only about less than 11 centimeters wide. Okay, and as you can see, the side with this metallic design is so tiny, it's only less than 3 centimeters wide. Okay, so this is our latest Full HD in the front and Full HD at the back in-car dashboard camera. Okay, and this in-car dashboard camera has equipped with the latest Sony Starvis chipset that will elevate the day and the nighttime recording throughout your journey, no matter where you go and where you are. Okay, so if you're looking for video quality, I will strongly recommend our latest debut Marbella KR8S Pro, which is only launched in November 2020. It has Wi-Fi connectivity, so basically you just need to go to your smartphone and download our latest Marbella DVR apps, and you can actually browse through your iPhone or your Android platform smartphone. Okay, so Wi-Fi means you can actually connect it wirelessly within a range of 5 to 10 meters. You are able to download, you are able to play back, and definitely you will be able to share the files through your friends and families through the smartphone. Okay, so once again, the specs for the, I'm not going to be very techy this time around. Okay, so once again, the front is Full HD 1080p. That's definitely a better resolution than the HD. Okay, and the back one as well is Full HD 1080p. So guys, if you're looking for the front and back camera with installation, with parking mode, this is definitely one of the smartest in-car dashboard camera you could consider. And right now we are going a very crazy deal in conjunction with Shopee Singapore. So here's the link, please check out our deals below, and hopefully you can become our customers again during the 12/12 crazy sales period.